it is given to me that the first two non-zero terms of this expansion is going to be the same as these two terms from the previous expression, from the previous Maclaurin's expansion for fx. Okay, and I want to solve for a and n. Okay, I'm supposed to make use of our MN15, so these are the two formula from MN15 that we will be making use of. Okay, for this, I'm going to replace all the x here by ax, so it is 1 plus ax plus ax squared divided by 2 factorial and so on. Okay, this will represent e to the power of ax. As for sine nx, I'm going to replace all the x here by nx. So it is going to be nx minus nx to the power of 3 over 3 factorial and so on. Well, I will just be expanding until I obtain, the max is x to the power of 3. Okay, so this multiplied by this, I have nx. Okay, then this multiplied by this, it is minus n to the power of 3, x to the power of 3 over 3 factorial, it is 6. Then this multiplied by this, it is plus anx squared. This multiplied by this, it is x to the power of 4. I'm going to neglect it for now. And this multiplied by this, it is going to be plus a squared and x to the power of 3 over 2. As for the rest, I'm going to just ignore because this multiplied by this will get me x to the power of 5. So with what I have here, this, if I were to try to regroup them together, okay, so that all the same powers of x are together, it is going to be nx plus an of x squared, and this is going to be a squared n divided by 2 minus n to the power of 3 over 6 of x to the power of 3 and so on. Okay, so now we can do a comparison. If I were to compare, n is actually equal to 2. Okay, this is simple. Okay, so n is equal to 2, and of course to solve for a, I know a multiplied by n, which is 2. This is going to be equal to minus 2, okay, and so this tells me that a must be equal to minus 1. Okay, so this part is solved, and now I want to find the third non-zero term of this series, which is actually this term here. So that third term, okay, the third non-zero term, okay, that the question requires from is this, which is a is minus 1. So minus 1 to the power of 2 times n, which is 2, divided by 2 minus way n is 2 to the power of n cubed, 2 to the power of 3 divided by 6 of x to the power of 3. This is equal to minus 1 over 3 x to the power of 3.